Alright, welcome back again to my channel, and today we are going to continue our tutorial, and it's about machine learning. Okay, uh, this is called tumor tracker. I just prepare the datasheet of the whole lung and datasheet of the uh, lung cancer. Okay, to make it clear and quick, let's begin. We are already in the Pictoblox, and we are not using this one first. Yeah, just go to the file and open ML environment, machine learning environment. Okay, here I already make a image classifier. If you want to make a new one, just create a new project and then make the name and then select the image classifier and then click OK. Because I already make it, I just click this one. Okay, as you can see, so many datasheet over here. I already upload and then make a class healthy lung. Okay, class, not class, I mean how to upload the picture. Just go here, upload, and then choose the datasheet of the healthy lung and upload the datasheet of the lung cancer, and then you click train, and then the machine learning will check based on your PC. Yeah, based on your PC system. Just wait until the process complete. After that, we will test the datasheet. Okay, you can upload the same picture or another picture that you got from where or use your webcam. For now, I will use my webcam. Okay, let's check with a webcam. Okay, this one, healthy lung and then lung cancer. I already have a dataset on my phone. Just check the datasheet for the dirty one first. Okay, dirty lung, this one. Okay, lung cancer 90%. Okay, this is accurate, right? And then another picture for a lung cancer. Okay, lung cancer, and then this is the lung cancer too. Oh my god, yeah, almost 100. And what about the healthy lung? This one, the healthy lung. Okay, cannot focus. Now that one, yeah, more than 31. Okay, it works. This one, this one dirty or cancer? Okay, wait. Oh, this is the dirty. Yeah, healthy lung. That one. When okay, that's the healthy lung. You can make it focus first. Okay, I'm sorry with my camera. That one. Okay, it works. So that's a machine learning, how the machine learning works. Okay,